Here are solutions to homework set number 5 for ECE 476-676 Advanced Embedded Systems. In this homework set, we're using the graphics display on the Raspberry Pi Pico, and we'll use it to build a mastermind game. Now this is what the game should look like when you're done. I start the game. Let's bring this down. I start the game. It generates a key. That's your random number, random 4-digit number, and I then take a guess. So you take a guess 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll tell me what my score is. A 1 means in the key, one of the digits is in the right spot. 3 of them are in the wrong spot. This adds up to 4, so all 4 digits in the key are in 1, 2, 3, 4. You kind of see the 2 is in my guess, wrong spot. 4, wrong spot. 3, correct spot. 2, wrong spot. So 10 points for the right spot, 1 for the others, 13. I'll try another guess. Like, let's guess the 1 is in the right spot. 1, 4, 2, 3. Still 1, 2, 3. That should also be showing up on the graphics display. So when I start the game, it'll tell me the key. Normally you don't do that, it makes the game a little bit too easy. But I'm doing that just so I can debug my code. Every time I guess, like let's try 1, 1, 2, 2. That was 1 right spot, 1 wrong spot. Eventually, if I guess the right answer, 2, 4, 3, 2, it says, there's the right answer. 4 right spot, new game. Starts over. So how do we program that? Well, the approach I'm going to use is kind of going baby steps. Don't program the whole thing all at once. If you do, at least if I did that, I'd get really frustrated. Let's start out with just generate a 4-digit sequence. So in Python, what I'm going to do is start out right here. All I do is I initialize the graphics display, set the colors, come up with a subroutine called new game. I will start the new game, wait 5 seconds, generate a new game. Here's the key. What new game does is clears the display, draws a box around it, says mastermind, key, and then for 4 digits, pick random numbers between 1 and 5, 4 of them. Each one's times 10 plus the number. Gives me a number 0 or 1111 to 5555. Then display it in green. When I try that, here's what that looks like. Every time I run it, every 5 seconds, it updates the display. So there's my key, another key. What I'm checking for is the number should be random. Should be the numbers 1 through 5. Should be a 4-digit sequence. Okay, at this point, I'm fairly convinced that the key is correct. Once that works, let's build on that. I'll take and add a display routine. Display will display the round, my guess, and how many points I got. Points is going to go 0, 0 to 4, 0. I'm going to take that as a 2-digit sequence. The first digit is how many right spot, correct number in the right spot. The second one is correct number, wrong spot. Display that as 2 digits. If I'm at 40, make the color yellow. Otherwise, make it orange. Then I'm going to display in text 3, one of the larger fonts. Here's the guess, the round. Put that at x equals 5. Y is 5 plus 30 times round. So it's going to go over here. Keep on going down. Each round I go down 30 on the screen. On the screen, the top is 0, 0. Bottom is 320. Just keep on going down 30. Kind of found that by trial and error. Gives you decent spacing. I'll do a number. This is the number that I'm guessing. 4 digits, 0 decimal points. X is 150, next column over, and the Y location. And then the points that I got. Let's see, here's the X location, 250, further over, Y location. try that. So my test code is I'm going to guess the number, increase the counter, score it. For now, score is always 42 points. Display it, and keep repeating. If I got 40 points, game's over. So trying that, this is checking to see, do I have the display routine working? So there's my key. If I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, it accepted it, and it scored 42 points. Let's guess 5, 5, 4, 4. Accepted it. 1, 4, 1, 2. And what I'm doing over in Thani, I'm typing in my guess. So this homework set I'm using the console. Next homework set we'll use the touchscreen. 4, 4, 3, 3. 2, 2, 1, 1. 6, 6, 5, 5. Out of range, but it doesn't care. So that seems to be working. Okay, so far so good. Now that that works, let's add a scoring routine. The scoring routine is I've got the new game was working, my display routine is working, let's score. I'm going to tell it the guess, the key, and my guess, and see how many digits I got right. Here's one trick. I'm going to pull out the digits one by one. Here's my key, all 4 digits. There's my guess, all 4 digits. I am going to take the number and pull off the digits one by one. So K of 0 is the ones digit, then the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Likewise for G. Starting with 0 points, go through the first digit, second, third, fourth, fifth. If the digit matches my guess in the right spot, that's worth 10 points. If it doesn't, then if my guess is somewhere in the, if my key appears in my guess somewhere, that's 1 point. Add that to points. Repeat for the next digit, next digit, next digit. So fill in this routine. Kind of filling in the routines one by one. That's called top-down programming. If I start it again, here's my guess, 3, 5, 1, 1. Let's try 1, 1, 1, 1. If that's my guess, I should get 2 points. 2 of the ones appear in my guess, the 3 and 5 do not. If I guess 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, I should get 4 points. All these numbers appear in my guess. None of them in the right spot. If I guess 3, 5, 3, 5, I get 20 points. The 3 is worth 10 points, 5 is worth 10 points, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. 3, 5, 1, 5 is 3, 1. The 3 is in the right spot, 5 the right spot, 1 right spot, 1 is in the wrong spot. And finally, 3, 5, 1, 1, 40 points. And that's what it looks like on the display. On the console, I type in the numbers. There's my key. Again, normally I wouldn't display that. If I type in 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 11 points. The first one is in the right spot. No 5s, no 5s. 1 appears in the wrong spot. If I try, oh, I know there's 2 5s in there because only 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 2 5s somewhere. So let's try 1, 2, 5, 5. That's 22. These add up to 4. So all the numbers in the key are in 1, 2, 5, 5. 2 are in the right spot, 2 in the wrong spot. So if I go 1, 5, 2, 5, that's also 2 points. Now to make this a normal game, I just don't display the key. So just comment out this line. Okay, Python for comment there. Comment that out. Now this is actually how I play Mastermind. I don't know what the key is, so I'm going to guess. Actually, I do know what the key is. Comment out these 2 lines, so I don't know what the key is. And now let's play the game. So I don't know what the key is. Let's guess 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those add up to 3, so I know there's a 5 in there somewhere. One of these is the right digit, so let's guess it's the 1. 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is a 5 and a 2 in there. None of these are in the right spot. So it is not, the 1 is not in the right spot. Let's guess the 1's not in there. So let's do 5, 2. It can't be a 4. It can't be a 3. Five, 4. Let's try 3, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so all the digits are in my guess because the numbers add up to 5. I know there's a 2, there's 1, 2, and there's 1, 5, so there have to be 2 3s. Those are right. 1's in the right spot, everyone else is in the wrong spot. So try 3, 5, 3, 2, and there's the correct code. That is Mastermind.